Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we have discussed up to 14th problems. Now, we are discussing 15th problem. That is the equation of the lines on which the perpendiculars from the origin make 30 degrees along with x-axis and which form a triangle of area 50 by root 3 with x-axis are. Okay. 15th problem. The equations of the line problem. The equations of the line of the lines on which the perpendiculars from the origin make 30 degrees angle with x axis and which form a triangle of area 50 by root 3 with axis R. Okay. Coming to the problem. The perpendicular form or normal form of a line equal to x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Here p equal to distance. Now we have to draw the diagram. This is the diagram. Okay. This is the perpendicular. This is M. The distance P. Angle alpha, that means 30 degrees. This is A. This is B. Okay. Now angle alpha x cos 30 plus y sin 30 equal to p. Cos 30 cos 30 value x into root 3 by 2 plus y into 1 by 2 equal to p. And for the LCM, root 3x plus y equal to 2p, and x by root 3 by p root 3x by 2p plus y by 2p equal to 1. This is by the transposition x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p, then alpha equal to 30 degrees, x cos 30 degrees plus y sin 30 degrees equal to p. You know that cos 30 root 3 by 2 and sin 30 1 by 2. So root 3x by the LCM it becomes 2 into p, 2p. So again x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Again x by 2p by root 3 plus y by 2p equal to 1. Okay, compare with x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Then a equal to 2p by root 3, b equal to 2p. Okay, here y by 2p equal to 1. Okay, this is the question. The perpendicular form or normal form of a line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p, alpha equal to 30 degrees. This is the diagram. Okay, this is the perpendicular from the origin. This is the origin. This is origin. This is A. This is B. Okay, so we have to find the area of triangle OAB. X cos. Okay, by the transposition. X by compare with x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Then a equal to 2p by root 3 and b equal to 2p. Now the area of right up to here, then the area of triangle OAB equal to half into a into b. We got the values of a value 2p by root 3 and b value 2p, and 2 cancel, and 2p square by root 3. This is 1. Okay. As per problem, the area is given. The given area of a triangle equal to 50 by root 3. 50 by root 3. This is 2. Okay. So equal 1 and 2. Okay, the area of the triangle. So of AB, of base into height according to the problem. So we got A 2p by root 3 into b value 2p. So this is 2p square by root 3. Okay, and 2p square by root 3 equal to 50 by root 3. Root 3 both are cancelled, and 2 table in cancelling 52 times. Then p square equal to 25, then p equal to plus or minus 5. Plus or minus 5. So, okay, calculate. So what we have to, the equation is, right up to here. The required equation is root, okay, we got root 3x plus y equal to p. So 2p, then root 3x plus y plus or minus 10. Okay, root 3x plus y equal to plus or minus 10. Otherwise, root 3x plus y plus or minus 10 equal to 0. So the required equation is root 3x plus y plus or minus 10 equal to 0. Okay. The equation of the lines on which the perpendicular from the origin makes 30 degrees angle with the x-axis and which form a triangle of area of 50 by root 3 with the axis R. So we have to draw a diagram like this is the diagram what we have discussed previous. OAB. This is A, this is B. First of all, we have to find out A and B. The value of A and B, 2p by root 3 into 2b. And by the calculation, we got some area of this one, 2p square by root 3. But in problem, the area is given, how much is given? 50 by root 3. So cancellation p square equal to 25, p equal plus or minus 5. The required equation, we have root 3x plus y equal to 2p. Root 3x plus y equal to plus or minus 10. This is the required equation. No doubt. Now, 16th problem. Here, in 16th problem, the perpendicular form of the line 3x plus 4y minus 5 is, okay, we have to check. So, the perpendicular form, of the line 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. So we have to check for option 1. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to 1, where cos alpha equal to 3 by 5, sin alpha equal to 4 by 5. So substitute in the value of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha. So x into 3 by 5, what is the value of cos alpha? 3 by 5 plus y into 4 by 5 equal to 1. LCM 5. So 3x plus 4y equal to 5, then 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the one of the equation. And check option 2. Second one. First one is right. And the second, x cos alpha minus y sin alpha equal to 1, where cos alpha equal to same value 3 by 5 and sin alpha minus 4 by 5. Okay, substitute in the value of x. What is the value of cos alpha? 3 by 5 minus what is the minus y into sin alpha value minus 4 by 5 equal to 1. Minus into minus plus. So 3x plus 5 minus into minus plus 4y by 5 equal to 1. Then the equation is 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. So both are correct. So both options are correct. This is multi-correct answer, and both 1 and 2 options. Okay. So the perpendicular form of the line 3x plus 4y minus 5, it is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to 1, where cos alpha equal to 3 by 5 and sin alpha equal to 4 by 5. So after substituting, so two options are satisfied the given perpendicular form. So both are correct. Next. Okay. 17th, the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P1, x cos beta plus y sin beta equal to P2 will be the perpendicular if, okay, in 17th problem, the lines x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P1 and x cos beta plus y sin beta equal to P2 will be the perpendicular if, okay, from the diagram, for example, this is the straight line, this is perpendicular line, okay, answer it is 90 degrees, so here it is 90 degrees are formed, it is 180 degrees, okay, the angle on a straight line 180, okay, sorry, okay, 180 degrees. Why? Because this is 180 degrees, this is 180, this is 90 degrees. Okay, the difference, if the two lines are perpendicular, the difference between two lines alpha and the mod alpha minus beta equal to 5 by 2. So the difference, okay, the lines, okay, will be, if perpendicular mod alpha minus beta equal to pi by 90 degrees or pi by 2. Why? Because this is 180 degrees, this is 90 degrees. If both are perpendicular, the slopes of two lines is m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. This is the product of the slopes becomes minus 1. So if the perpendicular the lines the difference, the mod alpha minus beta equal to 90 degrees or pi by 2. Okay, no doubt. Okay, now next 19th problem. What is the 19th problem? Sorry, 18th. A line is drawn through P 3,4 inclined at an angle 135 degrees with x-axis. The points on the line on opposite sides of the P at a distance root 3 from it are. Okay. Now 18th problem. A line is drawn through 3,4 inclined at 135 degrees with x-axis and the points on the line, on opposite sides of P at a distance root 3 from it are. Okay. A line is drawn through 3,4 inclined at 135 degrees with x-axis. This is x-axis. Okay, line like. Okay. The points on the line on opposite sides of P, at a distance root 3 from it are. Now we have to take symmetric form. We know that symmetric form. Okay, here theta equal to 135 degrees and r equal to root 3 or plus or minus root 3 and x1 comma y1 equal to 3 comma 4, the given values. We know that the symmetric form of a line we know that x minus x1 by cos theta plus y minus y1 by sin theta equal to r. R is the distance. Now x minus 3 by cos 135 degrees 135 degrees equal to r. R means plus or minus root 2. Then opposite sides plus or minus root 2. Okay. Cos 135 value, you know that already you learned in 8th class how to calculate the complementary angles. So cos 135 means 90 plus 45. Cos 135 means cos 90 plus 45. So this is second coordinate, this is minus, cos is minus. So sin 45 minus 1 by root 2. Okay, this is x minus 3 by minus 1 by root 2. Okay, plus y minus 4 by sin 135 is sin. Look at sin 135 value. Sin 135 is 90 plus 45. This is second quadrant. This is sin positive. So sin 45. That means 1 by root 2. So write 1 by root 2 equal to plus or minus root 2. Okay, now minus root 2 into x minus 3 plus root 2 into y minus 4 equal to plus or minus root 2. Okay, now minus root 2 x minus 3 by root 2 plus root 2 into y minus 4 by root 2 equal to plus or minus 1. By the transposition, this root 2 here, by the transposition, minus root 2 into x minus 3 by root 2. Okay, root 2 both are cancelled, these are also cancelled, and minus of okay, sorry, here write plus. What is the symmetry form? X minus x1 by cos theta equal to y minus y1 by sin theta. So this is also positive equal to okay. Now minus of x minus 3 equal to plus or minus 1 and root, okay, y minus 4 equal to plus or minus 1. So this is x minus 3 equal to minus into plus minus or plus or minus, not minus or plus. Why? Because minus into plus minus into minus plus. Okay, here same, y minus 4 equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, then x equal to x value minus 3 minus 1 or 3 plus 1. That means x equal to 2 3 minus 1 2, 3 plus 1 4. Okay, this is y equal to minus 4 becomes plus 4, that means 5, and minus 5 minus 4 becomes plus. Okay, minus 4 becomes plus 4, plus 4 minus 1 3. So here x equal to 2 comma 4, y equal to 5 comma 3. Now the points are 2 comma 5, x comma y equal to 2 comma 5 and 4 comma 3. Okay, a line is drawn through 3 comma 4 inclined at 135 degrees with x-axis. The points on the line on opposite sides of P at a distance root 3. So theta equal to 135 degrees, r equal to root 2, and x1 y1 equal to 3 comma 4. Okay, and x minus x1 by cos theta equal to y minus y1 by sin theta equal to r. Right, equal to symmetric form x minus 3 by cos 135. Cos 135 value minus 1 by root, sin 135 value 1 by root. So by the transpositions, minus root into x minus 3 equal to root 2 into y minus 4 equal to plus or minus root 2. Okay, here into 1 by the transposition it becomes numerator. Root 2 root 2 both are cancelled. Minus x minus 3 equal to plus or minus 1. Y minus 4 equal to plus or minus 1. Here minus into plus, minus into minus plus, that's why x minus 3 equal to minus or plus 1. X equal to 3 minus 1 and 3 plus 2. X equal to 2 and 4 or 2 or 4. Okay, y minus 4 equal to plus or minus 1, y equal to 5 and 3. So the required points are x comma y, 2 comma 5 and 4 comma 3. Okay students, now today we have discussed up to 18th problems. Okay, prepare well.